In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile name on Google Chrome tutorial. If you use multiple Chrome profiles and find yourself clicking into the wrong one, renaming your profile to something clear and memorable can save you time and frustration. Using multiple Chrome profiles and getting them mixed up? Here is the 60-second guide to changing your Chrome profile name so you can stay organized and find your work instantly. Start in Google Chrome with the profile you want to update open. Look to the top right of your browser and open your profile menu. Next, click the option that says Manage your Google account. This takes you directly to your Google account settings in a new tab where you manage the details tied to this profile. If you don't see the option immediately, don't worry. Just make sure you've opened the profile menu from the top right and look for the link that mentions your account. Once you're in your Google account, go to the Personal Info section. This is where Google stores things like your name, birthday, and other basic details. You're going to change the name associated with this profile here, which helps distinguish it everywhere you see it in Chrome. Click on Name, and you'll see fields where you can edit it. Just type your new name into the box. Keep it short, specific, and useful for how you actually use this profile. Whether it's for work, school, or a specific project, giving it a clear name makes switching between profiles a breeze. Think along the lines of work, school, or the name of a client or project, whatever will help you instantly recognize it at a glance. After you've entered the new name, confirm and save your changes. You may see the update take effect right away in Chrome, or it could take a moment to refresh across your tabs and profile switcher. If it doesn't appear immediately, a quick browser refresh usually helps. Keep in mind, if your browser is managed by an organization, some details may be locked by your admin. From here on, your profile will display the updated name, making it easy to pick the right space for your bookmarks, extensions, and browsing history. A clear name means fewer misclicks and a smoother workflow every time you open Chrome. That's all it takes. Profile renamed, browser organized. You're all set. Done.